Speaks. Today we are going to deal with matrix. Matrix in simple terms is known as a rectangular array of numbers. So it's just another form to represent numbers, and because usually we only deal with number by itself, it means a single number by itself doing addition, multiplication, subtraction, and etc. In matrix we're going to deal with an array of numbers, and these numbers will appear in rows and columns. So horizontally they will be known as rows, and vertically they will be known as column. And you can see here the subscript that appear on each of the numbers in the array or the matrix also represents the row and the column they are in. The first digit here will represent the row, and the second digit will represent the column. Also, very often the numbers in the matrix itself is known. So say for example we have a matrix A, and it is represented by this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many rows and how many columns does matrix A have? Matrix A will have 2 rows and 3 columns. And you can say that matrix A is a 2 by 3 matrix. So that is how you actually name a certain matrix and know them by different sizes. Now let's try and do some operations on matrices, just like how you would do operations on numbers. Okay, I have an example here. 2 matrices, matrix A and matrix B. So just a quick test. How many rows and how many columns does matrix A and B have? The answer is 2 rows and 1 column. So don't forget, the multiplication sign here is known as by. Okay, we're gonna try and do addition first. So if we want matrix A add with matrix B, what happens? Exactly the same that you would do. So a 1 plus with a negative 2 will give you a negative 1, and 3 add with a 4 will give you 7. So that is how you would do a addition on matrix. And what if we want to do a subtraction? So you're gonna have A minus B, so the same thing, matrix A so 1 minus negative 2 will give you 3, negative 1, because 3 minus 4, and that's the answer. So the key to doing operations on matrix will be to make sure that both matrices that are involved in doing whatever operations must have the same size. But this only works for both addition and subtraction. Okay, multiplication will be a different story, and we're going to do that in another video. Okay, so let's try another example for so this time we're going to have 3 different matrices, and again, what are the sizes of these 3 matrices? It will be actually 2 by 2, because you have 2 rows and 2 columns. And ensure that all the 3 matrices are the same before you even start applying operations on them, because otherwise you can't do addition or subtraction. Okay, they are the same, so let's start. So I just putting the matrices together and doing the this one as the answer. So what if I want to do And there you go, you have the answer to the addition of matrix A, B, and C. So you can try for yourself doing addition and subtraction for different matrices, different sizes.